So welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. This is the review show for the Jamaica Premier League game week 4. This has been a brilliant week of football for me. Arsenal winning, Portmore Utd winning. What else can I ask for? Yes, I do know what else I can ask for. I would assure you, or implore you, or I ask you, or beg of you to hit that like button. And if you're here for the first time, like first I see the channel, first I see this video, hit the subscribe button. No, somewhere down there, somewhere down there. So, no, we have some interesting topics to touch on and some interesting games to cover and discuss. Basically, we're going to look at the games that played over the weekend. We're going to also look at the table, the standings. We're going to also look at the leading goal scorers. We're going to also have a look at the team of the week, and you know we always do that. We try best to get that in. So, without further ado, we're going to get straight into the meat of the matter. Don't know anything already. We're not going to waste our time now, people, because time is of the essence. And if you waste time, especially my time, I'm going to waste back phone time by making a lot more video. I don't have to watch. Big up on yourself. Anyways, so let's start off. We're not going to waste our time, people. As I say, we're not waste no time at all. First one we have on the agenda is Sunday games, October the 6th. First game, we have Umberland 1 versus Aberview. For me, I didn't see this game. And what I've picked up from this game is that Effortville is a lion's den for Umberland. They seem to can't lose down there. They just cannot lose a game down there. And it's quite interesting to see that they're just digging out some results. They're really digging out some results. Cavalier went down there. Aberview went down there. And no one seems to be able to go down there and take the 3 points. But let's see how they perform away from home. Now, Aberview, on the other hand, got a win last week against Malines. Now they stumble on their toes, but that's football, I guess. Malines defeating Chapelton Maroons, newcomer Chapelton Maroons. Malines with a clean sheet. Quite a rare occasion, not conceding the goal, but most definitely, Michael Graham, who actually turned up this game week for them and hitting a brace. Now we have both games played on by Anthony Spalding. That's Malines versus Chapelton. Now we have Watos versus Tivoli. I didn't get to see this game either, unfortunately. I just see moments of it on my phone. But from what I saw, I thought the goalkeeper was quite good. Atafrai Bygrave was quite good. I thought Zakia Wills as well was quite good in defense for Waterhouse. Atafrai, well, just scored the goal still. Still not really finding him form as yet. Where performance is concerned. He's getting the goals though, but he hasn't found the playing form as yet. But most importantly, he is getting those goals. Unfortunately, Tivoli was unable to take away. No, back-to-back defeats now for Tivoli. They lost to Portmore Utd last weekend, and now losing to Waterhouse. So definitely something that they need to look into and work on. I do believe that Jerry will fix things as he normally does. May I try find when I skip Wagwan? So let's sorry, my apologies. Jeez, the biggest match for the day, in my view. Portmore Utd versus Vere Phoenix, where we saw Portmore Utd with an absolutely dominant display over Vere Phoenix. And I'm going to be honest here. Vere Phoenix need to fix up. I don't know how, what, where, or when, but they must fix up. It was a dominant display by Portmore Utd. Vere Phoenix sitting deep most of the game, trying to hit Portmore Utd on the counter. If they're going to play like that through the Premier League season, I don't think it's sustainable. That is certainly not sustainable. But at the end of the day, I think it's what they can do at this present moment. I do believe, though, that it's not my team or anything like that, but they must fix up. There are on the field issues and there are off the field issues. And yesterday, I saw multiple on the field issues. I won't say as yet. If you want to see the full video, want to see the full match, the full Vere Phoenix match, Vere Phoenix match versus Portmore United, that video is in my Patreon. That's on my Patreon. So you can go check that out. That's on my Patreon, so you can go check that out. You can see the full game. Alright, but dominant display by Portmore United. Another solid, spectacular performance from Romeo Guthrie and Grizzle. Oh my word, Junior Grizzle. Oh my word, that kid is brilliant. I must certainly do an highlight reel for him. He is a spectacular talent. Love to see him playing on the turf. Just literally gliding past players. Really good. Nice to take in goal as well. I should have scored twice. Hit the bar once. But that's football. Portmore United 2. Vere Phoenix 0. As I said, they most definitely need to fix up on the field. How they're playing, it's not a good look. I'm trying to see what they're trying to do. And as we said, people, if you watch a full video, you will get a better idea. When you go up against good quality team, you're going to see it. You're going to see the deficiencies and all these things. Yesterday, Kyle Butler started. I personally think that he shouldn't have started. Maybe come on in the latter stage of the game. Much less to play 60 minutes. I believe that's too much. He's unfit and he was unable to match up to the fitness level. I thought that Peralta was some sense a kind of weak fence in the defense. I believe that he has to sharpen up if he wants to play Premier League. This is a total different level. Other aspect of it, the striker, that's it, 33, I can't remember his name. In some aspect of the game, just trying to use his body. But other than that, sometimes just use a head. Some simple little stuff when you can outsmart the defender. He was unable to do it. 1 and 2 good moments. I do think that Robina Garden in defense, he was quite good. He was consistent. Very consistent throughout the game. Goalkeeper was good as well. Played a bit of a high line in moments. But other than that, they have to fix up. They definitely. Carlton Brown as well was fairly decent. But I think that he was most definitely overworked. So Portmore United, brilliant game. Big Ben, wonderful performance from Big Ben. I never can give my goalkeeper no much aliens because he don't do nothing. He don't do nothing. He don't do much at all. I tell you, Rose was quite good as well. I thought Rose was really good in the middle of the park. Hey, Strapper. Come on, Rossai, man. Rossai, that's not the best performance, man. You can give us a lot better than that from what I saw. But Tej needs to start put on a shooting boots. Can't dash them clear goal there. Anyways, big up on yourself, people. We're going to move now to the next match there. I'm move to the next match here, people. Let me see if I can get that up on the screen right away. You know the thing set. All right. Next match here we have is Cavalier defeating Dumble Holding 4-1. Actually going 1 goal down early to come back to win 4-1. That's actually really good. That's extremely good, I have to say. And Cavaliers stand strong and dominant in many ways. I have to say that they are looking really good this season. They are looking a formidable force this season. Who's going to stop them? At this moment, quite kind of unsure who are going to stop them, I tell you the truth. But good performance from Busy, good performance from Ainsworth as well. I also thought Stein was quite good in moments. I thought Jaden White was quite good as well, even though he conceded that 1 goal. I thought he was actually really good. His distribution was so good. Next up, we have Mount Pleasant versus Racing. I think this is a result that most persons would expect. Mount Pleasant, dominant force in the league, going up against newcomers, Racing United. Strong defensively, but unfortunately for this one, they weren't able to keep out the mighty Mount Pleasant. But overall, Racing tried, but it was a solid performance. I thought Devante Campbell was really good. A brilliant free kick by Gadal Irvin as well. Then our final match of the game week is Montego Bay versus Arnett Garden. Both games, both Mount Pleasant Racing and Mobay Arnett Garden game was played at the Catchinall Sports Complex. And it was a gritty game, I have to say. Game with a lot of controversies and stuff. But I thought that the goal scorer Oregon was the standout on the pitch. It was so good. In the defensive third, in the attacking third, and also finishing that chance. Solid display by the Mobay United defense. Despite Arnett Garden knocking on the door, they just could not break the deadlock. And that would conclude the matches. That would conclude the matches for the game day. Let's have a look now at the points table. As you can see, that's what the points table is looking at this moment. Cavaliers stand strong at the top of the table. Don't worry about it. My team will be coming for them surely. Slowly but surely. Slowly but surely. We will be coming. They're looking good. They're looking really, really good so far. They have a very efficient team. And what I mean by efficient, they get the job done week in, week out. Efficiently. They get the job done. But, as you know, as I said, that's how it is. Montego Bay in second. Aberview in third. Mount Pleasant in fourth, even though Mount Pleasant played 2 less games. Portmore in fifth. Well, Cavalier first, Montego Bay second, Aberview third, Mount Pleasant fourth, Portmore fifth, and Waterhouse sixth. And that's what it looks like as the point standing for the top half of the table. Leading goal scorers, Akwasa Chung, Jamal on 4 goals, Jalmar Calvin on 3, Owen Gordon on 2, Brian Brown on 2, and Kimani Harbourne on 2. Fun enough, game week 4 and players are leading on 4 goals. That's actually a lot. Thinking score 3 penalties now, though. Well, goal a goal, right? Goal a goal, people. So me see it. Team of the week. Let's have a look at the team of the week, people. Let's bring it up. Even though we get a lot of cussing feet, this is the team of the week. In goal for the team of the week, as you can see, the formation for the team of the week is 4-2-3-1. In goal, we have Robinson, goalkeeper from Lions United. In the back 4, we have Irvin, Wilkes, Young. Irvin, Mount Pleasant, Wilkes, Waterhouse, Young, Portmore United, and Hospitals. Oh, my word, make an error upon that. Hospitals from Montego Bay. In midfield, we have Romeo Guthrie and Dwayne Atkinson in the center of the park. In the attacking 3, we have Devante Campbell from Mount Pleasant. We have Grizzle from Portmore United in the attacking midfield position, and Graham from Lions United. And leading line, we have Owen Gordon from none other than Montego Bay. Manager of the week goes to Rudolph Austin with a 2-0 victory. Clean sheet, 2 goals scored. I know people are going to that. People are going to say, why this a person, why that person? Only if you get a clean sheet, you can talk. You know what I mean? Only if you get a clean sheet. So if you don't get a clean sheet, don't talk. Anyways, big up on yourself, people. That concludes, I think, yeah, that most definitely should conclude the preview show for the all right, so that concludes the preview show or the review show for game week 4. Big up on yourself, people. Smash that button, hit the subscribe button. Enjoy yourself there. God bless you. Out. Boom. Now I mean, we outside. And then,